chronic disease management and oncology causes the 78% of deaths within non-communicable diseases. And the third theme, which is industrialization of healthcare services, is responsible of the 33% of the expenditure in the sector. So, in the oncology theme, we are studying prostate cancer, lung cancer, and breast cancer. Prostate cancer is led by Philips. Lung cancer is led by Democritus, and breast cancer is led by IBM. We use big data analytics to enable personalized medicine and treatment in order to improve the process of diagnosis, the quality of the treatment, and reduce side effects. So currently there is a standardized clinical approach, and in the oncology theme within the big Medilytics project, we will use heterogeneous data by